Oromo. Amharic. The Oromo language that's spoken in North with Afroasiatic and Cushitic script called Oromo script and Selkbujese and Latin script, Tigray script, and Roman script in about UL. Amharic is an Ethio-Semitic language that's spoken in South with Walata script and Hausa script in Amhara in Omo Valley NG script and Walata Sado, Tigrinya, Gs. Amharic and Walata Bujese Lipi. Let's see her beautiful sounds of their numbers.
Toko,
Anidi,
Lama,
Uleti,
Sadi,
Sasti,
Afur,
Ah,
Chant,
Amist,
Ja,
Sidis,
Torba,
Seba,
Sadit,
Sama,
Pessageal, Zotan, Kudon,
Azir,
Glad and full of God's glory. Yeshua,
አቤት እንዴት ይገርማል ቆንጅተሻል አምረሻል ምን ዋጋ አለው